Hey guys, good morning from a snowy, wintry, crazy Canadian winter. So, what are we going to do now? Let's take a look at the beautiful white blanket craziness, huh? Look at that. It's not it's not that cold actually. It's actually really nice, warm. However, the snow is just falling like crazy. I'm gonna show you the steps of the house. Okay, hang on. Look, you cannot see the steps. You can't see the steps because it's full of snow. Oh my God! See, you can't even see the roads because it's too white. You know, it's beautiful. I mean, if you're just inside looking outside, it's beautiful. It's not as fun as you're walking outside because the snow is really thick and super duper windy, also. So that means you have to really wear something thick in order for you to enjoy. And again, if you love the snow, sure. It's beautiful. I think this one is beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's too white. It's just way, way, way too white. So there you go, guys. It's fascinating how this thing works, eh? Um, Actually, I am very tired of long months of winter. I'm not complaining at all. It's just that it's easier to walk around when there's no snow at all, because it can go crazy in one day sometimes. I think you feel the cold so much when it's like this. The wind is just going bananas and throwing snow at your face. But it is beautiful. It is. To visit Canada, it is wonderful. To live, it is also wonderful. However, you really have to be okay with long months of winter. That is the only thing that I could tell you. So I am in a beautiful neighborhood, and I'm very grateful for my beautiful life here in Canada. However, I truly, truly miss the Philippines. I truly miss it a lot. Let me put my phone here and see if you can see me and see the snow falling. Just that. Falling. Can you see the snow on the screen, right? And this is a nice, like, you can create balls of snow and then you can throw it on somebody's face or body. It is really fascinating. But I don't have my gloves, so I'm gonna be cold. So, yes, guys, that is the dealio here in Canada and in some other areas. I think it is also really, really cold. Um, I'm, I think here in Montreal we're fine. We're okay. Let me see if I can show you the beautiful. I like that pine tree over there. See, it's too white. You can only see my freaking face. It is bloody white, right? Yeah, I am on the side of the house. I can't. It's too much white outside, and I don't have my um, winter pants. If I have winter pants, then I can go around crazy and then make some snow angel. That would be really fascinating or something, right? Okay, guys, I think I think I have shown you something. It's just not the same. Like if you could be here and see the beauty, I couldn't capture it with my own camera. It's like a painting. It's really, really beautiful. It's beautiful. So I will do another video next time because now I'm getting cold. I'll see you later. Subscribe for more positive vibes like this. Bye.